Introduction to secure file sharing.
Secure file sharing is essential for remote teams to work efficiently and protect sensitive information. In this guide, we'll explore easy-to-follow methods for sharing documents and files securely using popular collaboration apps. Whether your team is large or small, these strategies will help you keep your data safe while enabling smooth remote collaboration.
Choosing the right file sharing platform.
Start by selecting a trusted file sharing service such as Google Drive, Dropbox, or Microsoft OneDrive. Look for platforms with strong security features like encryption, access controls, and two-factor authentication. Ensure your team is comfortable using the chosen app and that it meets your organization's needs for privacy and compliance.
Configuring secure access and permissions.
Set up user accounts with unique logins for each team member. Assign permissions carefully. Only allow access to files necessary for each person's role. Use features like View Only or Edit settings to prevent unwanted changes or data leaks. Regularly review and update permissions if team members join or leave.
Encrypting files and communication.
Opt for platforms that provide end-to-end encryption by default. If needed, encrypt sensitive documents before uploading them. For added protection, use encrypted communication tools such as Slack with encryption enabled when discussing shared files. Encryption ensures that only authorized users can read the contents of your documents.
Best practices for remote collaboration.
Establish clear file naming conventions and organize folders logically to avoid confusion. Encourage your team to regularly back up important files and be cautious about accessing files over insecure internet connections. Finally, stay updated on software patches and security updates, as these often address newly discovered vulnerabilities.
Maintaining ongoing security.
Secure file sharing is not a one-time task. Monitor your chosen platform for suspicious activity and review access logs when possible. Educate team members about phishing and social engineering threats. By staying alert and following these practices, your remote team can collaborate effectively while keeping valuable information safe.